Hey guys, it's Brad with Easy Tips and Tutorials, and today we are going to be on Google Sheets working on the sum formula, basically how to find the sum of a group of numbers without having to add them up on a calculator. So let's take a look at this basic table that we have here. We have the people and the Easter eggs found. If we want to find the total number of Easter eggs that were found, instead of taking out a calculator and adding up each number individually, it'll be faster and more efficient to put in a sum function. So the way we do that is we click on the cell, we actually double click on the cell where we want to enter in the formula. And once you double click, you should see the cursor, I believe that's what you call it, flashing. And then you're going to click the equal sign. When you click the equal sign, that means that you're going to enter in a formula. And the formula we're going to enter in is the sum function. So we type in SUM, and it comes up with all these different formulas that you can use, but we just want to use the basic sum function. So we're going to click on that. And it's going to put it in there with a parentheses. But basically now what it's asking is, what do you want to find the sum of? And we need to tell the computer the cells that it's going to be adding up. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on the top number. We're going to hold the mouse button and we're going to drag it all the way down to the bottom number. And then we're going to release. And if you did that correctly, you should see that at the bottom it says E4 to E9, or it has the cells that you drag down into. And if you can see on the column, E4 is at the top and E9 is at the bottom. So that all looks good. We are going to close the parentheses on the function. So we're just going to add that parentheses at the end, and we're going to click enter. And that's going to give us the sum of the Easter eggs found. And the cool thing about adding the formula, why it's better than just adding it up on a calculator, is say we were to change any one of these numbers. Say Brad got 15 Easter eggs, it would change this number down here. No matter what number that you put in, it'll update the total down here because it's going to add these numbers up. So this is great to use. It's very good if you have a long list of numbers and that you don't want to add up on a calculator. Even if you have a short list, it's good to get in the habit of doing this and learning this. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have anything to add, please leave it in the comments below. Give the video a like if you enjoyed it and it helps you. And stay tuned for more easy tips and tutorials